How can the same Java program run on Windows, Mac, and Linux without changing a single line of code? The answer is the JVM. And once you understand this, Java will finally make sense. Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. Hi, I'm Apiwe. If you are new to Java and the JVM sounds confusing, don't worry. This explanation is for absolute beginners. Java does not run directly on your computer. Instead, it runs on something called Java Virtual Machine, or the JVM. Think of the JVM as a middleman between your Java code and your device. It's like a translator. Your Java code speaks one language, and the JVM translates it so Windows, Mac, or Linux can understand it. When you write Java code, it gets turned into something called bytecode. Bytecode is special because it works on any system. Each device, Windows, Mac, Linux, has its own JVM. The JVM reads the bytecode and translates it into instructions your device understands. Same Java code, different JVMs, same results. This is why Java's slogan is write once, run anywhere. You don't change your Java code. You only need the correct JVM installed on that device. That's how Java runs on any device. The JVM handles all the differences between computers and not you. Remember in the last video when we ran the hello world, that was the JVM doing exactly this, no magic. In the next video, we'll write the actual Java code and see the JVM in action step by step. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.